household, my husband helps with the laundry, and most times he's the one who does the laundry. God bless him. I mean, he's not big on cooking or washing the dishes, but he's the one who does the laundry and most times help clean the bathroom. So this happens to be one of my large sweaters, and it's supposed to be large. See, the sign in there says large. Where is it? Large, yeah. And God bless him, he did the laundry and he put it into the dryer. Now this is wool, it's not supposed to go into the dryer. And now something that used to be long, very long, is now short. This can't even fit a toddler. It can't even fit a 9-month-old or a 12-month-old child. So just wanted to show how it shrunk. God bless him, as I said, he's the one who helps with the laundry, but this is no good. Lord, you have to love your husband. Hey, me love him.